Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mode. And last time we have covered extrude command and we have already done some example of that extrude command, and today we will cover this revolving command. In this revolve command we draw most of the axis symmetrical model like wheel, shaft, pulley, belt, pulley, bolt. This type of cylindrical object means which object revolve with respect to axis. The axis is main important uh, in revolve command. In this revolve model we need three things. One, we need a contour profile which we want to revolve about any axis, and second is axis of rotation, and third is angle of rotation. So three of these main content are important. Yeah, you can see here this is our revolves object. This is also a revolve object, and this is my contour profile, and angle of rotation is this, and axis is this. So my profile will revolve with respect to axis on a certain angle. Here you can see this is my axis of rotation and this is the profile, and it rotates about the axis. This is the profile. So, and one more thing is here, my profile, my sketch must not be cut to the axis of rotation. If it will cut the axis of rotation, there is a warning and it will not rotate about the axis. You can see axis symmetric model. It is also a revolve object. This ellipse, it is revolved with respect to axis, and here also you can cut as well. With the help of this revolve command you can cut any closed profile or open profile with respect to axis. So we will design today a model with the help of revolve. So today we will design this frictional wheel with the help of revolve command. And in this diagram we have one isometric view, one front view, one sectional side view, and A detail is here and B detail this is also here, and all the rounds are 3 mm and chamfer rod 2 into 45 and frictional wheel of size is this. So we will start from the side view, that's sectional side view. For this, let's start with the new file and click OK. And before starting, I will request you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. And for this model I will design with this hatching portion, and detail is here. Just select a plane. So in this model there is a hole at the center, and we will start with a gap, and this distance is near about 25. So just take near about 25 and just pan this. Now click a small distance and one more, and then a taper, and then straight. And for this end portion I am going to click here and click, just zoom. So my first sketch is almost done, and now I will dimension this, and this hole is 40, so just change to 20. This will be the radial gap, and this distance, this is my 100, and it will become 50, and select this and this and make them coincident, and again this and this point, and the difference, and this distance is 70. The half of 70 is 35, and click OK. And again distance between this point is 70, and click, and this become 180, and the outer eye is 400. So this point and this dimension will be 200, and now I will dimension this. This gap is 10, and this gap also 10, and this is 5, and the depth of this is 10, so change it to 10, and this gap 44, this vertical, no sorry, the 44 is the difference between these two lines. This is 44 millimeter, and this length is 10, and just zoom this 10, 20, and 4. This is also 4, change it to 10, and this time this point and this axis both will coincident. My sketch is fully constrained. Now I am going to mirror this with respect to this vertical axis, and click OK, and finish the sketch. And this time I will use this revolve command. With the help of this revolve, we can generate a axisymmetric object. And click OK. So my sketch is ready, and my 3D model is already ready. Now some dimension are left, so I choose this chamfer, and distance of this chamfer is all chamfer at 2 into 45, 2, and this is also an interface and the other interface, and click OK. And fillet, I use this edge blend, and click this as a 5, and just rotate this and select the interface and apply. All chamfer are applied, one more fillet is here, and click OK. So most of the work has been done. Only this hole are remain. So I will zoom this front view, because I need this For my next sketch, sorry, we need to select this front plane and click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 75, and the center of the circle and the vertical axis will be vertically aligned, and this difference is 248.2 divided by 2. Enter. This is my base circle, and this we have defined. Now just zoom this portion, the inner one, and this time I am just dimension rapid. This point. This time I will extrude this curve at a symmetric value so that it will cut. But I need only this circle, so just change this to just and now I will change this to single curve. And first I want to cut this circle only because I want to mirror it. That's why I choose only this single curve. Again choose this extrude, and this time I will choose this connected curve, and it will extrude symmetrically in the both direction, and it will subtract from the body. Now you can see, and I will hide this and hide this curve as well. And this is time to pattern. Select this extrude 8 and change the pattern definition to circular, and now specify the and number of item 3 into 5, and the count will be 5, and click OK. So this will be the my final model. Hope you understand properly, and if you want to color it, just select and add it display and change the color, click apply and OK. And I am going to hide this coordinate system, and with the help of this true shading, so hope friend this will be useful for you. So thank you for watching, and see you with next video.